How to add pages in WordPress. To begin, go ahead and open up your WordPress dashboard. Here, I have mine already open. Before we create new pages for your website, let's delete the built-in pages that we won't be needing. To do this, click on the Pages menu in the left-hand corner. In the pop-up menu, select All Pages to view all the pages on your site. Now we want to delete these default pages. To select all the pages, click this checkbox. Then, click on Bulk Actions and choose Move to Trash from the drop-down menu. Finally, click Apply to move them to the trash. To permanently delete these pages, click on the trash link and then click Empty Trash to remove them completely. As you can see, the built-in pages are now gone, and we can move on to creating our pages. To add new pages, simply place your mouse over your website name in the top left corner and then click on the Theme Customizer option in the drop-down menu. Within the Theme Customizer section, locate and click on the Menus option in the left-hand corner. Next, click on the Create New Menu button to start building your new menu. On this page, you can choose where you want your menu to appear. For now, let's set it as the primary menu. Don't forget to input your menu name as well. Once you're done, click the Next button to continue. Now click the Add Items button and another section will appear. In this section, enter the names of the pages you want to add to your menu. Simply type the page name here and then click the Add button. After adding your pages, you can see them in the Preview section. If needed, you can make changes to the order or additional settings. In my case, I would like to place the Web Development and IT Support pages under the Services page. To do this, simply drag and drop the page you want to be a sub-item under the specific page. Then move it slightly to the right. As you can see in the Preview section, the Web Development and IT Support pages are now inside the Services page as a sub-item. Once you're satisfied with your menu structure, you can click the Publish button to save your changes. And that's it for adding pages in WordPress. It's quite simple but crucial to creating a well-organized website.